Many wo adinshia ewo Attention TV so na no memenenda United Showbiz awo ye ewo GTV na kamia koye se mentem ho ase ba ko bi mienu bi ekọ so ewo ho na ni na edefa big Akwes ene Arnold ho na ni na ene se ya ne cover ene ni slits de na ene se na watwem na no ye kan Sarkodie ekoye interview bia wo bisa nse kamia koye se journalist so na se ntwerofo wo ga na mem hase no ya criticism no edoso we ana Sarkodie chire ma chire se ono de so betena no radio so na TV so criticizing it part dia na de anke wo se wo ye adwuma wo BBC na CNN de nsem no de okukuru bi pa edigo ho eno mo anana wo discuss e United Showbiz ma big Akwes ebe mu bi na so antana big Akwes ebe mu no Arnold ekoka nsem bi se ka me ekoye se yanka na nka wo se Sarkodie edwe nsem no hum yinu antana waka anaso obetimi aka ne way se enkotia obia eno ntine brof ni na ene say he is an unintelligent person na we ana big Akwes amfa no kwetwa crasho big Akwes echire mo ka me akwa say Arnold credit na tamuda through interviews and I say social media analyzing we did not na eno kura say okay kasa ansem no kura e de kire Sarkodie wo kire ma ne nnemu no Arnold kasa tenten okay na no eyeya e de Sarkodie yenko tie Arnold embra
A plus Bulldog ne nam Mac Brown ne kum chacha na hwefo omo pata ntokwa anya saparia kabaya now Arnold order 37 ahwefo yentie big Akwes ene Arnold yenhwe kakra embra.
But if you did radio for Ghana for close to 20 years, where you know free come enter Choice for Here or BBC, I don't think you have the moral right to talk about artists where they Ghana where don't move. Because me I go BBC because Komla do more way make I go.
Right.
Because that's the Ghanaian way he did there. First if you get chance go to Choice FM, the first thing go talk this thing like we do for Choice.
For real.
I brand tell we make I come do Indigo.
For real.
Because in the Ghanaian way he gets access.
So you put people on.
So that the whole ecosystem is new people for move. Maybe only artists, promoters for here for stop. They think about you go do Ghana show, you go do some corner, bring the Ghana artists come there.
Put them for some room.
Back in history, they be because people will say you won't ride on what you do, but that be history will tell you that it's possible. So you go to do them as I do the Apollo. Then all the boys for Nigeria, to be very fair, don't do any proper venue.
Right.
Nobody give me.
Okay, Arnold, yabo video no dio tifie atia se ye de ye nimu. Of course you don't know. You know, right? Into no asam na Sarkodie kan pacho. Do you think say one can yana?
But if I'm commenting on TPR boy, any example no mine now. Last week when the matter came up, I said say Sarkodie is one of the intelligent artists in Iowa. Who engages Sarkodie? That's when you actually figure out say in fact or you deep. However, no, the example I was citing for me, I felt say I didn't say that. I said you could have found a more intelligent
like you are
way.
talking about Shatawale. Say it.
Yeah. That's what I said.
Yate, madam. Madam, yate.
Say o ka bibia wetumi an no tia to ho na o wi ana wa kai de so ko so.
Pacho yo ma onu no kasa. Say na o hwe me.
Mummy no nyina mo kasa e.
Pacho yen fa note.
Pacho mo mo distract ya no.
Time no so.
Aye.
And he said point time.
Arnold yen kwa.
Behave more.
Behave please.
It's okay.
So I say Sanka another opportunity get you could have found a more intelligent way of using maybe another example of because I mean Bulldog shut
up. About swa. There be any okay. Why
because example no for me I think say a weak example say one called BBC and I say one called Choice. It means I need moral rights not to say so I say and that's on you say and I felt that as a radio presenter you don't necessarily have to go to that platform to be able to tell Sarkodie so Sarkodie you say and I say you say. And over the period there were a lot of radio personalities that are almost shaping industry now. Not necessarily BB platform and as a Choice platform, but then able to try to change. You know, much in promoting industry, you know. I Uncle BBC actually to do that. So I felt say another example not to actually back a seminar kana and ebeboa. So on that score, no, example no there for me I felt say it could have he could have done better with the example. Because you cannot tell me in all sincerity, say, see, be in your canoe, like a person is a Abeku Santana. The fact that Uncle BBC, and as Uncle Choice need to know, we need right be able to question Sarkodie, say, oh, Sarkodie, Uncle International, and I say, we Uncle International. For me, I feel, say, only another example to actually back a session and co making a career better. So that's.
Yeah, seen for so say I need to make us say, we any cine TV station we any cine, but we keep on fighting for ourselves. However, TV station also no, so ayo umajuma. About that TV station for interview uncle na.
Nana, I mean go straight to Sarkodie as no kind. We are the question beside me say you are. Sarkodie as no kind me to me a perfect. If he say when I'm say ya unimu and we genemu an ebisine.
Nam.
Ono nemu. Se Sarkodie abeka asem bia beto abonten a. Wa beto nwoma beto abonten a. Omo bu na bam over 80% to 20%. Omo de ne nwom ne nsem beto abonten a omo ka mo ase edoso sin dom ka papa ma no. E wo Ghana ha.
Nso yeto ne nyum zo.
Eso yeto no ne nyum na eto ne se ono ankasa ne mu na ba mu. So kaso wotie de nkofo ka fa no ho a enke nei ankwanhwe ase kra. Well, sasema na good ogo ka no. Eti ma say Sarkodie asem no be kan no. Omo etra se kan no eye piece FM no. Enipa na ti wono no mo ka so mu nipa 5 na ti wono. Emu 4 e be gesi Sarkodie. Ba ko pe na be ka papa de ma Sarkodie. Enye asem. What ya mo ka asem sisi akwampo no.
Go on.
Odidi Sarkodie atem.
Hey.
Ai.
Ano na dey you ho.
You so go fubi.
Also intelligent.
Also intelligent. We intelligent go give you. What kind na? Oh, na na me say what kind? Okay. Na na you mo premium say okay.
We want the program. We want the program.
What is Sarkodie okay? Me say be a no form. Enya no form any person tie. E bi no form a David be tie.
Ye dey come to.
So bi na no kind. Na so bi anu fumu a wo ka say so anu fum say pan utim ka say for tan na ni ama na ho so sa na no afum enyi na ni ma no so akon ka sa asem ni sa to aso obi ka say na sa asem ko no kan ni say na ni ma no so a o to sa asem no so so ka so bi nye intelligent
ni so jimi nyina wa sa down
yes
nyina unim me ho sheshem enye me ho sheshem say de na ni ayo de si ho no ano no ti anko de wa fo asem
me awe me oba for so ntia
Chami ni nyina ye say what did you matem on platform so
me need wasem da
when did you matem ano do ni matem on platform na go tell so e no ko say bo age na wosu and then me lewin enya offense ye kasa e wono would lewin ni me asem ko tell ma won did you matem you was a small boy like you
me di watem say
to matem ko say bo age bisa no
me si me di watem say why
would me matem say it's a me Nana mami kama se fanche because I know me ba na pese kam chiao me ba na wo pese chiao woni so din ba to so humi tire wo tire se chiao kam di so ni so be bo ni bia
ano do nya kola
nana onye ko me manyi se no me tire me be 15 years me tire no be 15 years
me di watem say why
wodi matem ko
to was
to nana e toka to the sense so being so Bible say do we jenu na nyina ko na we asase so obi onyi si wosem na Bible ka enyo papa
David tie
we didn't matter
abazi tobo
Big Akwes ane kotene ne ede eba ya ono so bobo ensem Arnold ede eka ede fa Sarkodie ho abusema menka wo se ajanka wona woni bie mobrewa ene ho siadea na ne na Akwes University Foundation or dia bom oni specific inkofo wo hwomo ene se de prison phone na abeka ho ejuma no ayekese kakra wana wo ne se birthday anasa wo ye bibio pese wo che obi ade no Akwes University ebie ni puno ede amobia de number N054 8502985 ha anenem demo ibisi macron medasa